Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about at REII. II 88. So she's a self-glazier of Ilit and a seraphim. She hates NJZ, Stray Kids, Blackpink, ENHYPEN etc. And saying that Ilit Le Seraphim mogged every K-pop group. At REII, IA8 is calling stays as corny stays. And is not normal because she hates on groups for nothing like she doesn't care app NewJeans she cares apt, Ilit. She made a vid saying so popular that NewJeans is copying us, and dub me girl. If you're seeing this as better you get your brain cells and your brain